How to delete EA account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can delete EA account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to delete your EA account, it's actually quite simple. Just go to ea.com and then you will see this type of interface over here. Now over here what you need to do is to simply make sure to log into your account. After you log in on ea.com, scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see this section that says help, and then just go to the help center here. So you'll be redirected to help.ea.com, and in this help section we just have to search for the option that says delete account. So let us simply wait until this particular option has been unlocked over here. So over here you will be able to see this little option. Now over here you can see the search bar. In the search bar you can search for a game or product. Now since we are trying to delete our EA account, we'll select the option called EA account over here. Then once you select the option called EA account, again you're going to be able to see this interface. Here it says I want to delete my mobile game account, right? So you can tap on the I want to delete my mobile game account here. Then after you've done that, you will be able to see all of these options. So you can just go ahead and also try to log in for a quicker access. In this case also I'll just go ahead and then verify the login, and once you've done that you will be able to go ahead and then delete your EA account, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically delete your EA account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.